Attention all citizens, this is an emergency alert system broadcast. Reports from multiple sources indicate the presence of a highly contagious and dangerous pathogen spreading rapidly throughout the region. This pathogen has been identified as the cause of reanimated corpses exhibiting aggressive behavior. These individuals pose an extreme threat to public safety. Remain indoors, lock all doors and windows, and avoid contact with anyone displaying symptoms of infection. Emergency services are overwhelmed, do not attempt to seek assistance outside. Stay tuned to the station for further updates and instructions. This is not a drill.